Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we have got January's Vettsy box. I'm super excited for it. So yeah, let's open her up and see what we've got. Okay, so we have this little card that is always in there. And the first thing I see are these really little pretty gold stars. And some stickers. Oh, cool. Gold flames. Super cool. The next thing I see is this dabber or ombre sponge, whatever you want to call it. And it does have some replacement heads with it. So that is very nice. The next thing I see is this. What is this? Okay, so it's got magnets on, I'm assuming. Take that off. Yeah, we've got a magnet there and a magnet here, so I'm guessing it's for doing like some kind of, cat eye stuff, maybe? I don't know. I'll see if I can mess about with it. Then the next thing I see are some little miniature golden sequins. I will get into opening it. So yeah, here we go. It's kind of, yeah, they're just all kind of mixed up. I can see like some butterflies and squares, stars, moon shaped. So very, very nice. And the next thing I see is this. It's acrylic, which says fashion nail art tools on it. So I don't know. Woo! It's clear with the white, so I'll put my hand on it so you can see it better. So I don't know, some kind of mixing palette, maybe? I don't know. Then the next thing I see are these two little pots that look like foil. So we've got two little pots of foil, one in hollow gold and one in hollow silver. There, the next thing I see are these. Also in gold and silver. Gold and silver is obviously the theme here, and I'm guessing these are chrome powders. So that is a really cool colour. So they are different. I don't know how different it's showing up on camera, but very cool. Put the lids on them. Then the next thing I see, this is French dip powder holder. Just totally ripped the box. Okay. Made professional for easy lines without the need to draw when creating a smiling French tip. Oh, maybe you put like some gel in there and then you rest your finger and you go like this on it. Maybe. I don't know. I probably won't use it because I just draw mine on. Then, oh, we have some more stickers. Oh, these are super fun. Some super colourful snowflakes. I do like them. And then we have some white snowflakes and like some, don't know how well you can see that, like sweater pattern nails. That's very cool. And then we have our gel polishes. Oh gosh. So we've got number 62 tape. I'm not sure how you say that. Oh, this one looks cool. Number 59 on cloud. And then we have this heme-free gel. And this is a reflective glitter gel. So it reflects the flash. So that is in pink. So I will go and swatch these and then I will be back, guys. Okay, so I am back and these are the 3 gel polishes that we got. So starting on number 59 on cloud. It is really, really pretty. So here it is. Now, I don't know if you know this, but the colours vary depending on what colour background it's got. So if I put it underneath white, you can see it's mainly pink and purple with just a tiny bit of green. But then if I get something black, it goes from pink and purple to greens and blues, which is super duper cool. So you can get 2 different looks out of the same gel polish. So I really, really like this one. So that is on cloud. Then the next one we have is, I never know how to say that word, taupe, I think. And here it is, and it is a really nice beige brown. Went on lovely and smooth, as you can see. And then we got a reflective glitter gel, and here it is under normal light. I will just get the flash up on my phone. So normal light underneath the flash. Like, look how much brighter that sparkle is. Really, really nice. Yeah, so I really like this month's box. I'm going to have fun messing about with these magnets to see what I can do with them. That will be super duper fun. And I love that it was very much like a gold and silver theme, apart from this pink polish. But yeah, I don't have any of these colours, so I'm really, really happy. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye.